This is a little tip about how to make a lens hood for a video camera like this. Video cameras have very long zoom lenses, and lens flare can be a bit of a problem when you're shooting into the sun or into the light source. All you need are these cheap and cheerful Velcro, packet of Velcro strips. There is each one comes with a male and female like that, and then you just cut a thin strip off the top here, peel off the back and stick it on the top of your lens like that. Then you have made your and there you have it. You can move it backwards or forwards depending on the length of your zoom. You can also stick a piece of Velcro here on the side, and then there you go, it's always with you.